Hello, third graders. I hope you guys had a really good weekend, enjoyed your Friday of no math. Um, Today we are going to look at lesson 11.2, and then we'll review a little for 11.3 that is your lesson tomorrow. So 11.2, we're just reviewing. We've done this chapter, but I wanted you to listen to the lessons in the Think Central and just remind yourself on how to do these and make sure that you understand and you can do this pretty easy because you'll want to be able to do this for the rest of your lives. Okay, so the perimeter, when we think of perimeter, remember I taught you the T looks like a plus sign, so we're just adding up all the sides of a shape. You add them all, so the T represents the plus sign, which means we're adding all the sides of a shape. Okay, so we just go around a shape, whatever the shape is. If we have, that was quite the shape, wasn't it, guys? Okay, if we have 3 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, and 5 inches, well, then we're going to add, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so we're going to have 5 blanks that we have to add together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start here, we put 5, 3, 2, 2, and 3. And if we add them all together, we will get the perimeter of the shape. And remember, the perimeter is the outside measurements of the shape, okay? So then if we add them up, 3 and 2 is 5. So we have 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. So the perimeter of that shape is 15 inches, right? Okay, so that's all we're working on for 11.2 is finding the perimeter. The T is for adding. We're going to add them all together. You make the blanks for however many sides there are, and then fill in the numbers for each of the sides. Okay. When we go to 11.3 tomorrow, they're going to be giving you a shape, and they'll say, well, if this is 3 inches and this is 3 inches, and the whole perimeter is 16, the perimeter would equal 16 inches, then they want us to find out these sides of our shape, okay? Well, we know that a rectangle has even sides, right? So this and this side are the same, 3 and 3. So if we know one side of this, we know the other side, and they have to equal because it's a rectangle. So we find what we know. We have 4 sides that we're adding up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have a 3 and a 3 because we know these sides. So if we take what we know, 3 plus 3 is 6, we take it from the total of the perimeter. We know the whole thing, if we add all of it up, it's going to equal 16, right? So if we take what we already know, 16 minus 6, we're left with 10 inches. So what that means is we need to take 10 inches and split it up evenly for these 2 sides. So if we know we have 2 sides we're breaking it into, then we do 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? So the unknown sides are going to be 5. So 5 and 5. Okay, so again, we've done this before, and so it's just a review. I just wanted to make sure that you guys remember it and are able to still do this because it's going to be helpful for you next year, okay? So you guys have a good Monday and Tuesday, and I will have another video for you for for Wednesday, okay? See you later.